The views and opinions expressed on this show by the hosts do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guests do not reflect those of the host and the channel. Also, we do not encourage you to try this at home. We are trained professionals who do not have your best interest at heart or our own. Enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can call me we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
I was thinking about my case at 5 or 10.
what don't you do then?
I have been suspecting for a very long time. The 8, I say, on the crew man, we have waiting at 5 occasions. Ote, la, I was
So we like,
But
it's
now
not-
I've had too many years, bro.
I feel like
Shelela kakhulu mfethu. Hey,
ungaqala lo ngathi yakhwehlela. Ungaqala lo ngathi yakhwehlela. Uhlibele stress too much.
How much change? Listening to number 41. Who caught Nigel?
Angikwazi mina khona ukontrata yini.
Who caught Nigel?
Mazi.
mafowethu.
Where do you come from? Where did you go?
Where did you come from, Cat Nigel?
Angizazi lezi zinto bafethu angizazi.
I think it's very
ibhakede
hilarious
lepizza.
with the ringtone, come on, for it.
Nah, like it's for old people, guys. Don't worry.
Ne? Yeah.
No one watching this if it knows that shit.
Kulelo kuzini.
Abantu bamazi caught Nigel.
Bro, imagine when my 40 turns 40, bro.
I
Epic, bro.
already didn't
That would
get
be
last number.
epic, man.
Bemfisa lokhu like achadisele 40 bro.
Yeah.
Kyaba. Umfazi wakhe let's have a patient. Just 3 more years.
Ebe 40. Ebe le 40.
Because garesa kakho ku relationship. Nxa thina sikwazi la ngendlela thina sazi
According to as far as we
maybe
know.
ngcenye ku
Hayi
relationship.
40 yathola yes.
Awukuthi ndo there's a
Ukuthola
difference
kuchiyena.
between ukuthola lokuba ku relationship.
Lo ngafuyanga uyayosinya.
Iyayo wesinyama. Ungachayisana namajite
I
ethengile
haven't heard this one
bakunika.
before. This one is new, man.
You know, we are releasing every week.
No ngafuyanga wenzani?
Iyayo
That's crazy, bro.
akwazi uhambe ebhawa wena wathola amajide wesinyama ucina utshayela inyama wahamba endlini usuthi.
That's true.
Exactly. But awula nkomo ngitshe i1. Yabo?
Lokhu ngiyakuza.
So yeah, maybe Nxela akala muntu kares but in the next 3 years yabo simfisela ukuthi abe lo muntu awona chade sele 40. And this man
Like it would be epic, man.
40.
Two ringtones. I have 2 ringtones, 2 phones, 2 ringtones.
Yes, man.
And
You
then
got
this
2
one, couldn't I join? Other one, Umsizke, ngawuza umoya wami.
Oh. Wow.
That's
Support.
that's-
Hey, that's a nice song.
That's
That's a really
local.
good
I
song.
really love
Yeah.
the song, so.
At least
Yeah.
when you are supporting.
So, very
Why
yeah.
yakindlu yakhe?
Ah.
I'm asking.
He's
I'm
working
not
on it. He's working on it.
Ngiyabuzwa.
He's working on it.
Oh, okay.
He's working on it.
Oh, the project is underway.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
all right.
So
No,
it
good.
is-
Ngifuna ukuzikhulumisa.
No, bro.
Oh, basting bakwazi ukuthi vele thina.
You guys are fake.
Sibonga udumo.
Umsizikhe mina remember egrand game bro. So ngiyabe ngibuza ukuthi
Mrs. K sakwaba ya podcast.
you know,
Yeah, we have an interview with Mrs. K.
there's a time when me, you and Ralph went to the art gallery for something and he was there as well.
Boma episode 30 something, 20
It can't be
something.
now. 36. We're not supposed to say.
So it's before
20.
20 something.
Maybe
Yeah.
20 something.
Okay.
That's all it's cut.
Ndoda kuninila. Kuninila.
Alright.
So when sithi mbone I video ku TikTok object esithi next door bazala umntwana like kwazala umntwana yabo. But umntwana engalandlela. Akathi ihlekani.
Hayi lawuza.
No maybe ngincike ukuthi stories zangikhona. Ngiyasazi sonke
Nah,
content.
akasoziyezwe xoki.
Yabo.
What the
Hayi.
This story finish.
So umjida lo uthi ube lo mna wakhe yabo and umna wakhe vele kanjani kaphuzi vele ngoku asithi maybe nguwe lo Rico uyakwazi ukuthi vele uRico vele akaphuzi vele ukufaka ama-comment so wamtshela wathi Rico mase sihamba next door lapha sisiyabona umntwana lo ungakhulumi anything ngendlebe yabo
azokuset up
ungakhulumi anything ngendlebe uRico lithi yebo alright sharp fike lapha umntwana bahlala bekhaviwe vele nanda then sebevula umntwana uRico uthi umntwana akho muhle umntwana akho muhle inole zakhe zinhle le complexion yakhe sharp yabo awuza athi amehla akho abona sharp amehla akho abona sharp ulokuthi omzali athi amehla akho abona sharp uthi kuhle sibili ngoba ngabe bengaboni sharp amanglasi besaqhoka nzima
akufake la
I remember it.
Little brutal, you know.
I was going to set umuntu up. Set umuntu up and then you like
amanglasi besangena nzima
Ebezihlaba ama contacts mntana.
Hayi ngene ngekhetha ngabe tshaka no swimming la.
Ama goggles mntana.
Ale reyedi la wana tshaka
uthi yathi tag ngemuva la
Man.
yeah, I remember it.
Yes, but speaking of that, namhla ngathunyezwa le video. As video le benlenhloni yokuyiforwarda kwama imali manje. Bekuyi live video and yes Mumu.
Why are you laughing?
So all they would do, I mean, we could a sign language, but also if you know what's this guy, this Mumu like they actually they make sounds. Really really weird sounds.
mafundi like
So maybe 5 kumbe 6 nje bonke bebekhuluma.
mayifuna ukuthi like mafundi mother father maybe engathi ufuna ukuphuma but akuphuma but you ama sounds
Bayagonya uLulu. Anyway.
abathi
Eke lana kulokeli senza into zeni lezi. Abantu bazoze kukeli show.
anakathi ngine ukuthi la kuhlafana ha.
but
Yeah, off to a rocky start, bro.
Kuhambe njani ivithi phelile?
Yeah, that's it, bro. It was just a live video, like nothing more than that. It's Mumu nje omunye ngabe uchaya sign language, omunye uchaya karate, omunye ukhuluma.
no but I feel like sometimes ba set up ujalo ubona ama video la
Sebenza ngabo.
sebenza ngabo bakwazi ukuthi angaposta kwaba you guys would react
Very bait. Ibait.
Actually, I've got a real life story about this Mumu. And like, remember, I'm not sure you guys know Uzuzu. Like, remember, I've been calling since birth, bro. Like, he's the slim one, exactly. Yeah, so with this guy, like, we like going to smokers almost every week.
Lelo zuzu ngani nguTimon and Pumba.
vele ngoTimon and Pumba ngazibona sesihamba zonke lebe lulukhulu so kunguzuzu kuphansi
Well, anyway, we like going to smokers. The first time I met this guy, umngani kaZuzu, babesebenza bonke a few years ago. And he introduces me right to this guy, and I'm like, hey, how far am I? And very na, is Mumu. Like as in, if you watch the two of them speaking, but language wabo, boy too, bruh. Like that you'll never understand. So like the thing is, I don't know
what's the
exactly. So the thing is, now on that day, and like I kept thinking that this guy's a bullshitting me. So I'm looking Kulumis. Just to see what I know.
Lamanga.
Remember? No, it didn't drop the act, bro.
They didn't drop the
It
act.
didn't drop the act, bro.
What the fuck do you mean?
The
It
nigga
didn't
really
drop
can't
the
hear,
act.
bro.
You're supposed to feel a bit.
Yeah. No, then I felt bad.
Me now, if I'm not going to heaven, it's because of a certain situation. Bro, this happened like 3 days in a row. Right? I'm walking from work, and then this moment is Yakurume reporting and so no, that's Chinese sign language reporting.
Hayi ukhuluma la ngoba.
It's a language. It's a language, guys.
Ukhuluma they are
It's
communicating.
around 16 languages in the country. Sign language.
Oh yeah, it is. Actually.
So they are communicating in sign language, right? But facial expressions, I see this is a heated argument, right? So and then the girl on your hand, kutuchimote konen. That guy went to so, huh? When I'm to so, So a dialogue started going in my head.
abangaboni ukuthi umafoti
I
wenzani uqeda kuphi
No. The dialogue went into my head, bro. Hey, bro. I won't go to heaven because of that dialogue.
So
no but lisamkhumbulo uyankisi
The next day I met the same people.
uyankisi
Who's that?
sakhumbula ngemfaka kaMandela umjida lona wayishaya sign language wayishaya
Was still that guy who actually push it.
what's
in
the first
sign
line?
language.
What's the first line on my song? Awetoti.
What is it?
Niggas throwing
Throwing
up
up
gang on
gang,
killing or
yelling
Yankees.
yeah
Yeah.
ngiyakwazi ukuthi kuyankisi ingoma sometimes ingoma zakho ngiyawe
Athi ngithi ingoma yamaloya lana
So I am
uzathi
award-winning, bro.
angisotsi.
ingoma zakho ngiyawe
Hey, that is
Ralph has
actually
just
like,
done my job for me.
bro. That is an underrated bar, bruh.
Fana Ralph is genius.
You know what Ralph said?
I think imini phaphile
Who's that?
Uthe ingoma yamaloya lena mina ngiyenze I didn't do project. Ngiremixa Awetoti bese angisotsi.
suqedile uyasuqedile asuqedile
Didn't do it. So double it up.
I'm fine. You've outdone yourself today.
So just to give people context of ingoma yamatsotsi, we had an interview like basically guest that kukhulunywa project la sizayifaka. We're not sure ukuthi sizayifaka with this episode yini because it depend on ukuthi sithethe isikhathi esinganani ukuthi sirecord la.
Yeah.
Singathatha isikhathi eside then sayifaka separately but singathatha isikhathi esincane of which I doubt. Sizabona ukuthi but there's an interview like there's a bonus interview for you guys.
It's not really an interview, it's a discussion of sorts.
As a discussion.
Which is
so,
very interesting. It's fun to leave.
so ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen.
boys and girls, welcome to another episode of the BYO podcast.
Indawo ukhuluma njengomlava ke. Kulo chero uyabukele namuhla.
Sumoshele.
Namhlanje ukhuluma
Over too
njengomlava.
obvious.
Yes, Benten.
Ikhuluma no Edison.
Yes, Benten, babe, ulaleli intro.
Nzayinafuna.
Sayenzani?
Nzayinabulula.
Kahle ngathi na ungafaka ama earphones. Actually ungabukeli nge-TV. Faka ama earphones. Ngabona amajita. Dayi umjito ulaleli ingoma i-R&B ngama earphones ugay. Uvumeza ingoma amazima amajita ekuhlabelele endleleni.
Serenade kakhulu lezi.
Yabu busy vele ufaka ama headphones uphongweni.
Mqini. Speaking of people watching,
Yeah.
like watching the episode, right?
Sifuna ukuphuma esporweni mafoni. Ngeke ngikhuluma amabiza abantu
I
la.
don't know, bro.
Sure.
This happened. There are two things that happened. That one wasn't really a big issue, but the first one was. I'm walking, and this guy says, "Oh, Karisa Skurumisi, I support our podcast."
Ngiyakwazi.
I'm like, bro. I was like, bro, thanks for the support. Sure, but I've very much repeated in Chad. He went on. I'm like, what the? Then me, being
For real, bro.
my 40, if you don't know me, I'll show you that you should know me. I'm an ass, I'm arrogant, and I'm rude. So those three happened at that point. I'm like, bro, what you do is you introduce yourself. Hey, bro, I always watch on the
Yeah, we
podcast
get the
I support. And then when I go on,
And
when I go on the next episode, I'll give a shout out to you for watching, right? I don't mean to offend you in any other way. I just need you to understand this. When you're watching me on YouTube, I'm not watching you. I'm not even looking at you. I'm not seeing you. So then the guy was saying Buruzera. So I'm like, no. I needed to put you in a place.
okunye umafoti lingamdeleli umafoti lebackup sansi akuchaya mina personally miyakuchaya
The next,
no
this one was okay. I was okay because it was similar to the first one. Hey, my fault. The guy is sitting in the car with a girl. Cool. Hey, what's up, man? What's up?
making up of because you said.
When
I
you
know,
performer, you stand up comedian.
Okay.
So this guy says my fault. I'm like, okay, hey, what's up, man? Hey, sorry, didn't call him now. I don't know. What? Kind number plate. Oh,
So mina somele ngichiye ngikwenzani?
my photo was like cool.
Ngibhode ngale.
My photo was like cool.
Ngikhambi ngiyokhela
My photo
ina.
was like body. GP. What? But we episode like plus GP.
Azobakani.
Bakani. Like
Ngobakani.
Bakani. So I got there I got there. I go back to them, and I'm like, oh, Bakani, oh, okay, from where? Like, Zocheru Breeze. I'm like, oh, okay. Then I was like,
Paranopungamaz.
Then I said, Ayimas. Then you know what I said to him? I said to him, I'm like, bro, when you're watching me on YouTube, I'm not watching you. So please introduce yourself nicely. Yeah.
Very weird. What a good episode, idiot.
Uma 40 ube record i-podcast ahambe. Ngabuza ukuthi uhambe uyawena zokukhuluma into afuze ukukhuluma. Kulabanye abantu ukuthi like nibenxa i-content sehlala phansi sidiscuss ukuthi alright sharp. Uma 40 uyavele yonke into
sirayit. Nathi lathi.
Abehlale phansi kakhulu.
Vele content epostwa egroupini ngalandaba la.
Come on. I read the content. But for me,
we know him too well actually.
I don't know him that well.
A bit too well.
And he doesn't know me that well. At least you could have just said, I'm now what. It was gonna cool.
No, that man doesn't introduce himself.
You know, the girl is actually the girl was gonna say, come here, can number plate.
Nkazana.
Yeah, the girl was gonna say that. For me, but I wanna say this too. It's the right tip, bro. It's the right tip. It's the right tip. Everyone I'm meeting, bro. We support the podcast. This is how you do it, bro. Why do you mean?
Ngakhuluma ngezethief la usicaphuleka wena.
Hey, ngiyatheni mina.
Uma 40.
What did I do?
Siyawazi ukuthi sifika.
Mina ama-photos asiphophisa
So if you're
if
watching this episode or listening, sifela ku weekend enkulu kade bekule trade fair, bekule shutdown, bekule emergency.
alright asiphomeni ukukhuluma lapha since kube kuyimandi bekunjani shutdown
Manini siqale nge-trade fair neleyo vele ade sikhuluma ngayo then bese sikhuluma nge-shutdown.
After shutdown ngeke ngaba le accident ngafa.
Vuyi uzakhuluma into nale yenza.
Continue.
Episode
Hey, bruh, imagine.
RIP.
Can you do some for me?
If you're watching this, I just came to say hella.
It's me.
I will teach you.
Yeah.
Trade fair.
Uma futhi sitshela ukuthi ay Machita why lingafika trade fair because it's a good opportunity ukuthi lambe network labantu nani. uBreeze athi hayi swi. Actually uBreeze ngiyosuggestile then uma futhi wathi no guys kuyahambeka vele nansi ilink yokwenza ama tags nani yabo singena ilink lana yangathi grand register but then ngase ngibuza ukuthi like kuyangeneka yini like ungomuntu nje maybe ubhatale like ordinary price yabo because ama tax lana ibi $20 ibi $20 siyathatha lapha thina ama $20 ngase ngibuza mafuthi singakasuka endlini mafuthi I think izokuthiwa $5 ungena lapha yikho yini mafuthi I think so it's alright sharp Breeze athi vele nse town sihlangane lo Breeze town
ngakela ngikelile ndo
nangezile
nangikelele trade fair
mina ngezi but ngezile
fucking bullshit
atufunge khonze ikhokho la shame
ndoda ngivuzile ngayo ngivuzile ngathi ikhokho ikhona yini
ndoda
shame bro
fika lapha
Okay, continue.
i-Coca-Cola sasihlangana lo Breeze town sifike lapha na vele sithi samba sixoxa ukuthi hey trade fair sike siyabona abantu lapha sifike lapha na paka lapha na kuyimini Cooper kwethu vele bengile angqoki izaza mina bro but trade fair I was like namuhla angeke ngabonile ukuthi but bemfuna ukusacrifice for i-trade fair yimlo ugqoka izaza singena lapha no Timon nephumba vele indodeni fika lapha singena ngapi
nathi lapha
security athi uyahamba lapha wonke umuntu uhamba lapha athi fika lapha imali nokungena $20 awena indoda endingikhangela isithi yeah
ndoda
Business days, I guess.
and then endaweni enjalo kufuna like for
No,
your
but under
ego
the link,
ngawungelanga
I think maybe link ngesikhathi ngena link ibisevalile.
$20 mari
$20 mdala sakhangelana so
Angazi
asicabanga ka2 phongikhangela namba mkhangela sachili
we were of one
But I'm
mind
sure
Now
tomorrow.
for context, for people that don't know how much $20 is, I like using the groove opportunity cost analysis.
Who's
$20. Jägermeister, depending on where you bought it, not Mkotweni, teachers, man.
Wow.
$20 is a Jägermeister, it's a Jameson. Ngama dollar deals are 20 actually.
Oh.
So ngama Heineken angu 20, ngama Stella angu 20.
Lama-syringe angu-5.
Are moving?
Amastela ku-19 lama-syringe moving.
Hey, ngama Stella depends on how you're taking it.
But
You know,
butter $20.
But I think tomorrow's gonna be $5 since it's a public day.
Isidlulile i-trade fair uthini kanti. This is a Monday.
Even besides that, I've always felt like as a like all of us here have got like enterprising spirits, right?
100%.
I will tell you for a fact, I've attended every single year of ZITF, but I've never, not once, gone on the public days. Friday,
Yeah.
Saturday, dance like for me, the important ones is
The business
Lawana,
days.
Lana,
Yeah.
Monday to
Kanti ngicobuzela kudala ngongangenwa mahara ama-business days.
It's still free.
It's still free, but
When you register, no, it's free when you register on the website. There's a free website where you
Wena
actually
utshela
print.
ngo-99 ngokuyi-free ngewebsite wena.
Andiyabona veliphana nama-
No, andi register as a business.
uzasibopisa
I register as a
Mina
business.
njengami ngiyangekile. I'm not going to lie.
Bese sithe sisuka kuke kwaba lokuyi-moment isithule emoteni.
uyakwazi thi into engcono yini
was
ukuthi
embarrassing.
lonke belingiyela like maybe ama-$20 to spare because i-ego yakho vele ingaza ikuvimele ukuthi usuke phansi uze uyefika egedini
Abantu mangikutshele.
$20.
Mina
you guys had that
I'm
money
not
I'm not-
konga extra lying around you're gonna pay
Mdala,
Ay, 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 ay,
imali
ay, ay,
ibikhona. Imali
$20.
ibikhona. Imali ibikhona. Ralph.
Aye.
But
Like it.
$20.
you built different
Vele
For-
abona-
phela bese kuyi-$40 mina nomgcini ngoba.
Hey,
Futhi.
what?
Ukuthi
Lingene
singene.
phakathi lenze something so kusiba
Aya. Amaya.
But
Maybe
again,
it's broke mngani wami. It is what it is.
next
next
time,
time.
book a week before. The
Hey man, fuck you man.
Book a week before. You put a week. It's a free website.
egrupini
No, because
No,
as far as I'm
lalela nini.
concerned, the site was still live.
I-website kama-4 izinto i-sharp. But i-option yokuregister I think bese
Ibingasekho,
beyikhiphile.
sebeyikhiphile.
Because bananzelelile ukuthi abantu maybe nxe bese
Yeah,
beyithola.
bese
Tshayisane lo kholwani lo Doni ubazwile bona bathi thina siregister aliregistanga.
Angathi kumbiposta ku-OnlyFans asikwazi maybe nxileyo lichayisana
Like
nazo.
group- Phela amapono la,
They- no,
lezi
they
zinto
posted,
eziqakathekile
they
sometimes.
posted on their Twitter account. They posted on their Twitter stuff and.
Ngiyabona ukuthi kodwa kuyinto esikwenza lokhu very wichapa lokhu esikwenzayo lokhu okwe-podcast.
I'm sorry to say this, right?
Legit business that can enter ZITF.
No, but it is a legit business for you. But when I got there,
Awuthi ngasithi for me.
It's for you.
no, for you guys, I'll tell you why.
Hey man.
Why?
here if it's not a business
Let me tell you. No, I said this is a business. I said this is a.
what if for
legit-
us
For us, okay.
yes
Yeah,
Awuthi
correct.
namuhla ngalimpa miyakhala.
Okay, so here's the thing. ZITF for me, way before ZITF started, I was like, even if you get in there, it's very rare to get a deal at ZITF. Most deals are done before ZITF. ZITF so is scarce, so that's doing the proper because they've
I
done
think it's
nothing
like a
new.
bit of publicity, man.
Yeah, it's a
Just
publicity
get people to
thing.
know your business. I don't know.
They've really not done.
I'm thinking my
No.
put us.
Akusikho lokho mafutha.
Bro, I'm
Alright,
telling
good,
you.
good, finish.
I'm telling you. Eish, please. Most companies that were there were forced to.
Which is fine. It's you.
They don't see the value of it.
Mina in my
The mic, guys, like more cool or
right.
something. Just get
Because
the
they
mic.
do not see the value of ZITF anymore. If companies saw value of ZITF, they could actually renovate their stands. They could actually do amazing things on their stands. But they are not. Even Econet brought things last year. They didn't do anything new. Because there's no value in that
Okay,
anymore.
all right,
Okay.
cool. I hear you. You're saying there's no value. All right.
It just depends, my friend.
I'm saying there literally is value. Maybe not for the businesses that are coming here, but for you who's attending. For you, okambela phana watshela ukuthi $20. Wabusu get ukuthi ngifuna ukungena in. The reason why, like, yeah, you know, you can spend the whole day as ITF, bruh. And as a grown man, you can't tell me that you're just wandering around doing nothing.
Udloku candy floss.
Hey, just
ulanda
upenda my face.
uyapenda.
No, you are going from stall to stall. Like for example, Mafoti, you do events.
Like
Maybe you
impilo-
go to maybe you find like uhambe stores like some company from China, bro.
Impilo yakho
You realize that
yabe joke awudingi ukuthi bawupende e-trade fair.
that's what I'm
they're
saying
already a
my
clown.
like
Yeah, but anyway, like it's the value is actually technically the value
abantu,
is
not
it's
for the
abantu.
business.
it's for both, right? But if it's not for the businesses, and when I went and they would
No,
but
listen to what I'm saying. No, I'm saying.
That's beside the point.
Listen to what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I'm saying you're saying it's not for businesses to meet other businesses. The businesses already know each other.
Yeah.
It's for people to meet the businesses.
yeah, you as a potential client.
But manje the
of
same
those
people
businesses.
masithi thina sibuya ukuthi sizobona bathi
Squende.
$20.
Mind the thing is, unfortunately, that's not them. ZITF is a company.
It's a company.
Yeah, one.
$20
That stands
kupila.
alone, really. Like, is mele yona. This is actually not. This is just like one event for them in a year.
Tikwende,
one.
Tikwende.
So
There's good playing.
So what I'm saying is, Mafoti, I think get depend on context yakho. Mina experience I'm looking at a trade fair. The organizations that I've been representing actually got sales from there and important connects from there.
That way even you, Ralph, in your personal
personal
capacity.
capacity yami
Yes.
ngangubreak lapha ngasebenza importa kuma stores lapha. There's something engayenze nasty like I raised that thing was life changing. Like maybe sometimes ngithengela ama chips ngento engayenza khona ngani.
Fuck.
Yeah, one.
So
And also, like,
listen, I used to
build on his point.
I used to work.
Even if you're not gonna get like a sale or you're not gonna get business, you're gonna learn. Like if you're a person that genuinely like
kahle kahle ufuna ukuthi ube dala.
yeah, akufuni ukuthi ube ngumuntu ongathanda ukufunda.
Odonsa
If you're a
nzima.
person that likes absorbing information, learning new things, trust me, ZITF is the perfect place for it, bro.
I don't know.
Mina, I sat in meetings at ZITF, right? Those meetings were set.
What doesn't get partner?
We're set. No. Most meetings were set prior. Like, no.
Asikho connected ku podcast le. Ngeke ngiyadinge lo mayibongwe la ngamdinga.
Mayibongwe manje ophandle.
Asiphandle la.
Supposed to just get people in, bro.
But it's not that. But the website was there, guys.
Sokudlile
Anyway,
website but ngamadoda connected. Yabo.
Anyway,
I
I saw an opportunity for the podcast, though, if I may say.
I could have
Do
called
you know that
the
whole
embassy to
center?
jump you in, but
You know-
I
you know that
deserve to go
center?
back.
Yeah, when that center with the spike thing, that whole thing was empty, bro. Was empty. In my mind, I was like, this will be a dope place during ZITF for people to be actually recording the podcast at the center because it was empty. No one was using it.
I probably made good.
No, it doesn't matter.
Departure.
It doesn't matter. But because there were a lot of people who like the podcast who were there at ZITF, and so they will not. If you
La
guys
nine lile problem lina delisa ZITF la singenisa. Likwazi ukuthi asiholi la. Sethatha ngaphi imali yokungena thi.
Don't worry, guys.
Sethatha
We'll
ngaphi
be
imali
there
yokungena
next
thi.
time.
next time you
we'll
have
get
a
store.
stand.
Yeah,
Next
we'll
time you have a
stand.
stand. Next time you have a
We'll
stand.
be actually doing shows there.
Mina
in
vele
Next time
town.
you guys have a
mfundela
stand.
ibala namhla mfundi ibala lethi pro bono kanye ilokuza le episode
It's a pro bono podcast.
Pro bono
That's a
podcast.
professional boner here. There's nothing going on here.
Pro bono, like just raw talking it.
But wait.
No money.
Kulama tweets engiyabe ngilokhe ngiwabona. Into lezingazi ngichayisane lazo like first day yabo. But kuthiwa ngesikhathi se-ZITF. I-rate yokuphanana ngamakhekhe lama-sausage kuthiwa lamajita la khona because yabo balance. Kuthiwa ngathi iyakhwela iselike la chayisana lakho endini lihambe ebusuku phandle or
Into efani. Yeah, khathesi ngilabantu ababesekhane ngedile la. Ngilabantu ababesekhane khaze ngedile la bazamfakazela. Imember yami le enguvuya Twitter I think ngeSunday. Ya Twitter yabona ha iviki le uzabona isiwench. Ukuthi sizabe sikhwelile mbijana.
just
So
to give our
omunye umuntu
diaspora audience context.
Alright.
Isiwench is prostitution.
Twiki.
So this guy tweeted and then actually backlash hey stereotype and then on Tuesday I'm having like a short meeting maybe 15 minutes I go to this popular sport in town. I see abantu abagqoka amasudu abangamabhawu ematafuleni abo. There are girls that I've seen around. Before ngikuhlala ngomfana beqoqobisile and it's Tuesday. Asikafika la ku Friday yothi maybe isikhathi se-weekend.
Isikhathi sokuhlala phansi.
Tuesday, bro.
What's
People
your
are there
TSS?
hanging out with people we have never seen before. Abanathi ama-blue label and
Uzibona-
they're there hanging out.
Uzibona ngamaSuthu lamatheki lana lenga entanyeni.
Ukana Tuesday on Monday, bro. On Monday.
laughing with
On Monday, I had a meeting right up on a rainbow, right?
Angevele ukukhuluma ukuthi hayi akuphese la.
The meeting.
Guys,
Awuthole ukuthi nguwe wayebhala ama-minutes.
Mina ngidinga imali ye-festival, guys. So I'm coming out and these ladies bamile lapha. This girl is on the phone. She's saying, Tatosfika kaya susu. You know, hey, the girls are all ready. Where are you guys? Oh, you're still in Gweru. I thought you guys have arrived. We're already by Rainbow. Where should we wait? I'm like,
Abaphelo sisibethu madoda.
Abahamba.
you know, I thought Guti, you know, I was like, it's okay. It's then I'm
Into engasalungi. Mawusu bafonela
I'm passing through. I'm passing through. Then I went to near a place that sells alcohol up there in town, right? I'm just getting there and put something and I move. Before I'm a cheater, I'm like, people might say this is stereotyping or not. This is a fact. This is what happens in Bulawayo. I don't care whether
I've got evidence.
it is stereotyping. It's a fact that happens in Bulawayo. And there are guys that benefit from this. Maybe we'll call them pimps. There are guys who benefit, who actually look for girls for these guys.
A pink name
People
swag
go,
bag.
it's a fact. It's what happens in Bulawayo. And I know the people like, hey, lingas chalugubi. When I wins, bakuna wenza. So keep quiet.
A pink.
Because bakuna wenza. Sakubona tino nto wakona.
But at the same time, would you blame any of them?
No.
I mean,
I would blame, bro. I would blame.
It's the oldest
I would
profession.
blame, bro. No one is blaming anyone.
Yeah.
But we're just stating the fact. This is stereotyping. It's no stereotyping. It's happening. We're seeing it. It's a fact. It's a fact.
Mina, like, as in just to give exclusive evidence, right? I made that tweet on Monday.
I think this is a funny tweet here called but
Yeah.
give people context.
So the tweet wasn't wrong.
No.
Because as in an
was factual.
before like kuluma something.
Yeah.
Every time as kuluma ngento enzakala
Sneaky context.
Sneaky context because abantu abasilaleyo base Birmingham.
Oh, all right.
Abanye base
Now all I did, I gave a weather forecast.
Isikhothise.
Ngapi weather forecast yebulawayo.
abanye basibukele besemsebenzini basilale bayasebenza thina sisebenza sila.
Oh yes.
Sebenzi pro bono.
Welcome to the pro bono show.
Uzafaka i-tweet yakhona,
So
but basically,
context, yeah.
you know, just to give context, it's just like, you know, I was talking about like conditions akobulawayo, like ngeze ITF time.
Yeah.
Nothing that people have never heard before. There's going to be guys with money, and there's going to be women that want money. It's simple, right? But it's just funny how, like, even after I made that tweet, right? Like, angihleka laba abangani bami engikwaziyo ukuthi hayi no bakhona labo ku business khona mfana. They are partakers of the feast. Yabona. And they were just laughing. Like, to me, my message, right? Basically, like, they were getting messages from Harare guys, like, I'm on my way, right? Where you at? Should we pick you up? Remember to me that I'm a location for my BNB. This one, I remember Wati Umganwake. And this is it's quite fucked up, but it's funny as well. Wati Umganwake has got a place, right? And the guy where Pachite Utuza where Abaza spent his kati won't kill up during the ITF. Then at the last minute, I don't know whether his wife suspected something, but she was like, I'm tagging along. I'm coming with you for this trip. Exactly.
Hi, Bo.
Yeah, I know the story.
So I know I'm coming for this trip. Yeah, but so why is it part of the PMP for the side item? So she's now just chilling.
Ubhinji wachu community. Imbinga isatholakala.
Iko lapho uvuya babizwa khona kuthiwe guys anina wine kulapho na
Sonde wafaka iBNB. Kumesithi podcast eBNB.
Libosebenza ama opportunity.
Mina kodwa ngizamile ukufighta back.
Nakulesinye sasithanda ukumbiza kuma PMP.
abhadaliwe.
Ukuthi angikwazi
Isagula.
Into izayigula.
Into izayigula bangani bami.
Ngizamile uklepa back ngathi kodwa lathi abafana bebulawa amagaro siyawazama mase Harare. So ningakhali lani machance.
Okay, President nxa sesenothoni yahlime.
About that, I beg to differ. I beg to differ. Madoda kobulawayo kulabafazi.
aloku anguyani but le garo liyakhompyutha mjala yabo
eh,
phela mana ngendoda la vele kumele i-playlist yakhe ithi spoon pato garo pato garo yabo mix it up a little bit That we try to fight back for our community because abafana ngabe buya la spoon abasiniki chance omkhomba spoon abasiniki chance
if you go to Harare Valley, you have to clap cheeks, bro.
hey you have to fight back dog
Yeah.
But there's a funny comparison that I want to make, right? And like just a disclaimer, this is my view. A lot of people won't like it. But I've always felt like Harare, not really most of them, but the ones that are in the streets, right? Harare chicks that are in the streets, that gets like Ismail is sharp really from their places, right? They're mid. I would compare to Abetu, I'd put them like at a solid 6, maybe 7, right? But I think it's because they're in a better performing economy. I'm a 10 etu, and someone made a meme about this week. I'm a 10s etu. Our 10s are being babbed by these owns, not even for money, just for drinks and clapping. They're not even getting paid for like positions themselves.
Gatekeeper.
So, as good thing, Vui,
Yeah, we're being paid for nothing, guys. But okunye ukuthi okunye nxa so professional kakhulu like prostitution yakho sometimes
ivalue
yeah we are babysitting opportunity ungabona ukuthi ngale ngeke principal line so ibabisa ubona ngani maybe iza kunika imali then ingasakuniki so maybe khona lokuthi besithi ayicho mevele fast it's called potential baby, you know.
Abanye chicks is not even about potential, bro. Kono kani ukuthi ngu-K Breeze. Kana ndaba ukuthi uthi wezile mali kubima. Do you know like this person doesn't even give a shit that you're a farmer, bro. Kono kani uthi K Breeze is a rapper. Yeah, lami ngenga nankwa ngu-K Breeze.
Lot of K Breeze basinanga.
I want to agree with you.
Akufake ku-CV.
Vui, I want to agree with you with something. I always said, maybe because I said at a comedy show, maybe people think this is not an actual thing that actually exists. Harare guys, I think I've said this on the podcast, for them to attract a beautiful woman, they need to have money. Ne? And unfortunately, when they attract those women in Harare, they attract women who are trying to be beautiful. We've done something to their faces. We have had creams or done something. Tina Bulawayo la.
Ngesinto bathi izribake.
Tina Bulawayo la. Tina Bulawayo bra. For me to attract a beautiful hand, I need to exist. I need to exist. I just need to be there. For me to attract a beautiful woman, for any Bulawayo guy to attract a beautiful woman, they need to exist. They just need to be there in life. They don't need the money. They don't need. So now, how much do Harare because how much do Harare che? How much do Harare? When they come,
give me one.
how much do Harare habuya laba bra? For me to have beautiful women, I need to pump out money. So they will continue pumping out money.
Automatically when usuthola abafazi lilamanga.
I said you need to exist to attract the beautiful woman.
It's more abachona bonke la.
Last week
Bachona reality yenu le.
until I said one group
Alternative universe, huh?
You have had girlfriends from Bulawayo, have you?
Yeah, obvious.
You have had, and the
Tell me,
problem,
what?
all of them,
Girlfriends from
all of them are
Bulawayo.
beautiful.
sexy
Hi, girlfriends.
All of them.
Girlfriends.
Bazali bakamgcini welcome more.
Wena vele iko tufuna.
Ufana uthi yena.
Iko vele na tufuna. Iko tufuna.
Nansi tika se episodes this week.
My thing is, you're not driving the GG6. Vui, no. Vui, no.
You guys are doing too much. Anyway,
You don't have a GG6.
Yeah,
All
I
of
don't
V8.
have- I don't
But you've
have a-
attracted a beautiful woman.
Ninte
haven't you?
mbowayo ngento ikhuluma yona ma40 ukuthi kuzayenza ukhala nabantwana bebulawa ba easy.
It's
No,
That's what
I'm
you
not
do.
saying they're easy. I'm not saying
That's
they're
gonna
easy.
get
What
spun
I'm
down.
saying is,
Mike.
for other guys to have these women, they have to splash out money. Tina, we don't have to splash out money.
Let's give a bit more context, right? This is
Khaled
not like
Zitshele.
no, this
Nama
is
also
not.
brothers.
It's not a blanket statement that applies. Actually, you might find that as far as like a population yabafaz go Bulawayo, it might even be a minority, right? We are talking. we're talking about like abantu that are attracted to that certain kind of life, bro. And that definitely
That flashy.
cannot be the majority of
Right,
women
it's
in
not,
Bulawayo.
it's not.
It certainly can't be.
Because we have two little spots for the majority to actually live that life.
Sikhuluma ngabantu abana abathathekayo, exactly. That's how I
Uthathekile
put
bhasi
it.
lama.
Baseline.
Bro, I can't even say it on podcast. I'll be
Mina ngikho
cancelled.
that opinionated ngendaba zabo mama mina. Angifani noma 40 lo.
Yeah, stay out of women business, bro. Stay out of women business.
But anyways, manje wazi ukuthi actually president lokho ngikubona ngathi ifoni yakho namhla ngathi uyisebenzisa kakhulu namhla.
Uthi oh yes. Hello.
Dilo change.
Kuyavela yini?
Bese abadala kudala besithi nxa amafoni lana ngazi ukuthi kohamba njani la. Ngathi kokule action ezenzakala efoni ngare.
Oh ngoba
Umuntu omdala kana
If you guys watch Muvango,
Mika, remember
nxa answer phone qala ayeluli
Adinga isignal.
adinga isignal ebese iphendula.
nxa ibheda isayithe usabona ngifuna. Mina ngikwazi lokukhipha ikhwapha. Like yanje yabona kade simgcini nxe. Lo lay iphone call ye kuthiwa ubuye nendlini not that. Iphone call ediri bamba. Iphone call ediri yabisila. BNB ZTF.
hello. Yabona mdala, what's happening here? Yeah, coming in with the
Into efani ukuthi i-charger le lokuzenini bendayo.
Make safe.
Ithokweni?
Make safe.
to make safe.
Thani.
So it's like a wireless thing.
Uthi afika unamathisela ifoni.
Yeah, i-charger yokunamathisela yabendayo.
How ikukufunayo kwethu
But mina bengila i-cover le magnetic cause ukuba magnetic I think uqala ku-12 like i-12 ebisi magnetic ngokwayo ukuthi because ekaliye isenze nje ekaliye yengadingi cover okuyi-charger khona ukubona iphakhle kunamathela.
So yeah.
Oh,
They introduced the magnets from 12.
Well, I've never tried.
But ku-11 nxa ungela cover ingwanda linamatheli.
Oh.
Yabo. So kuyakumele uthi so.
I think
Upetul.
amachita relate iko benga.
Lifike emalangeni ne Inalo Steve Jobs kudala simkhonisa zasukuma la ephansi.
Actually, uqala wena ukuthi we can't relate because our phones have had magnets.
Oh no, fuck you guys.
Since.
Ever since.
Lina i-problem
Sorry,
ukuthi ingene ka test. Ngama new cover. Kudala siyenze.
Bensakuza ukuthi ilogizini yakho ithethe ngapi. Like this is a nice
Pouch le
cover, bro.
ngithole what's this place? Uyabone 9th Avenue Jason Moyo.
Yeah.
9th Avenue Jason Moyo. Kule mo khomba. Maya
Amaya. I think says yeah.
Amaya and
We have quite a number of malls now.
of pop-up malls.
Yeah.
We have quite a number.
one looks clean, man.
Gusa Mall.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a really cool shopping center. I like to call them shopping centers.
Ngama malls.
Number nigga,
So there's a place there by Amaya Mall, 9th Avenue, Jason Moyo, okuthiwa Apple World.
Yeah.
First floor. Ungafika uqanse nje kompa. Kula majita lamangwanda eSwitzerland lava.
Yeah.
Sikhuluma ngeItaly podcast. They do have iPhones.
Yeah, they do. I
Diri
think they do.
swap and top up options they lay by, and they have very, very amazing phone covers. So this is where I got mine.
Because people
Shop
have been
32
complaining about your covers
For some time.
longest time,
for the
bro.
pusla. Amajida ukuthi akwazi ukuthi yazi majensi mina after time nexoxa lami khomba ince isisefa sesigayo sesifile. So mina vele iyabe ihlezi phezu kwesigayo. Ngizama ukukrinka isigayo. So
Ungayihlalisi phela phezu kwesigalo.
Le enhle le.
This is ngayihlalisa this lama. Kodwa yabona inefoni enhle bangani bami.
I feel like pouch le esi yeah.
Yeah, pouch.
clean.
Pouch
It's clean,
filter.
bad, bro.
If I know the
it's not,
filter,
bro.
right?
My shit is not too bad, bro. It's just that nje, I'm just a farmer.
Like it's one of those covers which like yeah, I'm
Siyayibona icover yakho. Siyabonga.
Sele jealous umafowethu.
I'm not jealous, bro.
Yeah,
I
very
saw a
sensitive.
better one. I saw a better one.
Specific.
I saw a better one. Vuyi
will let
ngapi
you
yakho. Where's your cover for you?
Ngike specify abala amadula kusama Android.
No, I think sizafaka lokuzeni. Sizafaka ipicture
I saw a better one. I saw a
So
better
please
one.
go get your covers.
from the same place my 40 is from the same place.
It's from the same place. It's from
Oh
the
yes,
same
the
place.
one that we also got. Ekavuyingani transformer so ithi cling cling cling.
iyavuleka izi ifana le yami ya. They're lit. Those covers are too lit. I'm telling you.
Optimus Prime
Optimus Prime. I think lama segments ango 4. So Shop 32, first floor, Amaya Mall, Jason Moyo, corner 9th Avenue, opposite the Stuart Bank. If you go up there, you're gonna see a shop called Apple World. Very as soon as you go up the stairs, it's on your left.
Yeah, because Asila Apple Store is in Zimbabwe. No?
Yes, we don't have.
Asila.
We've got people or organizations
No, benzafuna ukuthini?
What
Apple
less
Store
than
like
the
the
sellers?
official Apple Store ayikho.
Nah.
We just have people who sell
Zimbabwe.
either authentic Apple products or
No, I'm not talking about dealers. Like as in, I know in Harare, and this is actually funny because I got this contact as a ITF last year. but like these are people that like they are almost like an affiliate of Apple. Like they deal exclusively in Apple products, right?
Yeah.
But like an actual official Apple store.
No, but
and you know what?
We have a solution center there.
It's
by
Icona.
14th Avenue,
Icona,
but
yeah.
they're just authorized dealers.
Solution
bro.
center.
Yes.
It's not in Bradford.
Authorized dealers.
No.
no, but
I always have to squeeze in a dad joke every episode, nigga.
what I'm saying is
What are you saying?
Cecile, our Apple Store purchase the solution.
Oh yes.
Uthi batholakala ngaphi bro?
For all your authentic Apple products, go to Apple World, 9th Avenue, lo Jason Moore. Le bona bona kulo OK Grand Challenge.
Kids
Full
Mart.
promotion.
Actually, next door to Kids Mart.
Le bona Kids Mart. Cele ngo Kids Mart, Amaya Mall. Steps, first shop, Apple World. Ufika ukuthi uthunywe ngumgcini. Oh, Kabelo.
Yeah, because uqathekile ukuthi abantu singakhuluma.
Actually discount. Ungafika amapouch la abiza kabi. But
Ibiza
ungafika
idura
khona ngale
mhlolo.
uthi uthunywe yithi bakwehlisela iprice.
Okay, all right.
So uthunywe ngabafana be-podcast. Ufika ukuthi abafana be-podcast bathenza uthenga ama-pouch.
Babe bathe waphoje ngemali abantu ungena ngezela TF.
Kula abanye abashaya ama-profits from iZITF. City girls. Sambe nithenga ama-pouch.
Oh fuck.
Nanjani? Blame ama city girls machenza ukuthi the game is the game, bro. That's how the game gets played.
Always be like that, bro.
Plus yabona amajita ngeza complain ngezinto ezenziwa. And anzama ukuthi ngibe ngathi ngi-politically correct lapho mfuna bambuke. At the end of the day, umuntu lo muntu le private party.
True.
Ezulwini mase sihamba nabanye sebesithi njengawe mani egedini ngokwakho. Thina sebesiphakathi bo. Ukumosha kwakho ngesitho sakho ngokwakho thina singena indawo.
I think futhi amajita less guilt nge-body count yawo because thina yonke into sayisebenzela thina.
I think ezinye member futhi ezicomplain ngabo tshela aba escortayo lazo zezibafuna but they don't have the resources.
Previous episode ngithe kule beef ekhona phakathi kwamajita ngalamali lama slay queen.
Ngase sithi futhi mina ngathi iproblem amajita ngalamali futhi avumi into nalamali. They would rather mana ula mic. They would rather what's the word? Baya yengabe bayikhipha wona amacheri ukuthi vele bangene ngama-wenchi
bazama ukwehlisa istandard fana fike restaurant edulas class but okuyinkukhu wena lokho ukwenza ethi ucine bevuma ukuthi bakuthunele ngepasto.
Yazi mina one thing futhi engayibhayiyo, me I've never bought this my whole life. Umuntu othi alibhlomile ekhasi ethi mina vele ngazembele imali amphume ekhasi. Sekula manga.
You're lying, bro.
Fucking lying, bro.
Lying,
once you get money and things start being accessible to
You
you,
stand
on the niggas, bro.
so lento uthi
lama introvert mina ngi-introvert ngithanda ukuthula oba le mali sibone ukuthi uzaqhubeka yini ukuba le introvert.
I think like
Ikhona imali yoke-out ayikho. Kube maybe ngxe ikhona ngasi-understand.
Very Maslow's hierarchy of needs, bro. I-universal. Maslow doesn't miss. Ungabona umuntu esangani uthi hey mina wethu usala
security needs.
Awaqanzi ku-triangle. Qanza ufike ku-self-actualization lapha.
I feel esteem needs lapho singakathi self-actualization.
Sabe sesihambe kakhulu. Anyways, kule andiyawazi thina sesiyi-podcast yabantu ethola imbuzo from abantu every week. And by the way,
every 2 weeks or monthly.
So like ma ule pressing issue ofuna sikhulume ngayo lapha sile WhatsApp group. Ngiyakwazi abantu babe complain kuma comments last week tha ingaphi link ye WhatsApp group sizayiposta ku Instagram page. So Instagram page.
BYO memes.
BYO podcast. This is not BYO. Who the fuck is BYO memes?
Bro? Don't follow all the 8.
your podcast Instagram page. So siza post link WhatsApp group where all the pressing issue yakho or you just want to interact labanye abantu abalaleli podcast le uzangena khona. So umbuzo this week uthi, what's your take on Isthembu being brought back? And is it better for women to accept or refuse? Ngiyabuza ngoba we grew up sibona abantu abadala, some of them cheating and all on their women, or cheating and all on their women. So should it just be an accepted thing, or should women stand up and fight against it and still face the harsh realities of being cheated on? Not that I'm saying all men cheat, but genuinely I believe majority do, one way or the other.
When I first
question for the week.
When I first saw this question, I was like, shit, this is a dumbass question, bro. Because first of all, we're not bringing back polygamy. It's always been there. And secondly, like, I said I first thought.
Okay.
Right. And then I realized that no, it's actually like deeper than that.
Yeah.
For example, first of all, just to answer it, in case of Rempa Pambil, just to answer the last bit, right? First of all, no, I don't think it's a universal fight for all women. Right. Abantu women that find themselves as tenjini, they're not dumb, they're not stupid.
Yeah.
You know, abantu abadala who, you know, agreed that no, I'm saying in. So I don't think like if you try and make it like a universal fight, like for example, like if you try and make it one of the talking points of feminism, I feel like you won't really go far because the people that you're fighting for don't really want to be fought for. You know what I mean?
They're willingly in there.
They're willingly in there. Is yeah, one. But I this is my personal view. I wouldn't put a person in a situation whereby so mele go is temp. Yeah, well, I'd rather I'm a traditional man. I'll just cheat.
Huh.
Yeah, well, just
keep it simple and straightforward.
Keep it simple, man. You know, but in the because I feel like not everyone is happy in that situation, bro. Like even oh mama who agree with what I'd find, you can take a second wife. It takes a lot of convincing, right? And just you know, but like you can really talk down a person, and then later on, bruh, when she comes to you and say, you know what, I've reconsidered, you're like, no, but you know what I mean? So I feel like I would just, because of that risk, and she's unhappy in a marriage with me, I would want to put her in a situation whereby she even thinks for a second, there's now like another option, and nah.
Mina, polygamy, when I look at it, I'm always torn in between one view. First view, as someone who has been in relationships with people of the female variety, and I know just how difficult and just fucking psychopathic they are. I always ask myself, why would you want more? Just offer that. Mina, maybe two. Three abantu laba banabahlanya
konke bengatshona amamoods dela khona
manje yathi mood yi1
I'm ngiyazibophela
to the power 3
now. But then I look at it from the other perspective. The whole world is in arms.
Yeah.
Now legalizing homosexuality, and I mean, I really feel like in the fight for preserving our culture, homosexuality was not our thing. Maybe I'm not going to say it wasn't there. Even Wusela has been there, murder has been there. But our way of life used to be polygamy.
Yeah.
And then they taught us that it was wrong, and then they gave us their way. So when I'm thinking about it from a Pan-African perspective,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
From a Dr. Uma perspective.
Yes, sir.
You know? But then from just a K Breezy on his WhatsApp perspective,
one is enough. Actually, like,
even one is just fucking
on that point, remember, I always feel like when you look at media, right, you must always ask like the agenda of the person that's bringing information to you. I've always felt like when it comes to polygamy and things of African culture, it's always like a Western agenda. I'm like, first of all, what do you guys understand about polygamy? You can't come to me and say that, all right, intelligence from wearing suits and ties to actual, you know, homosexuality. If it applies, that's okay. You can teach that to us. But
kids.
To kids even, right? But also all right, ufuna abafazi bakaba and laba bafazi bayavuma and you're like, no, there's something wrong with that. I'm like, okay, how?
That for me is crazy.
On that premise alone, I'm like, nah, just let us be.
No, I feel like polygamy would have made sense like back then because abantu abaningi bakhuliswe from ama families vele where polygamy is being practiced, yabo.
Ukhulele esithenjini hayi kwakuyinto yokuthethisa abantu.
Majida maningi akhulela stage.
Baningi abantu abakhulele esithenjini. Nxa uthi ngomunye wabo olaleleyo lapha, just put a
Shout
comment.
out to you. Shout out to
my
you.
experiences zakho ukukhulele esithenjini. But yabona kudala bekuyinto kade very common yabo. But uBreeze ekhulumile ukuthi babuyayo le mfundiso zabo yabona batshela abantu ukuthi no lokho akukho right. Lokho akukho right, mele ube lo mfazi oyedwa. Abantu abaningi la sasesikhula kuma families angala like isithembu yabo depending ukuthi ukhule ngayiphi iminyaka phela siyahlukana la.
Amafoto ethu ethi maybe makhelwane wakhe welest.
Mina liyakwazi ukuthi anyway
but mina bengakaphenduli mina into endenza isho ukuthi
bengakaqedi
lato akaqedisa sizo
garesi kuzabanzima ukuthi isithembu like sibe khona garesi right now ngecontext ya garesi because abantu abaningi sebe brainwashed like unless ama practices la nade senzakala kudala yabo kungaqalisa futhi ukuthi kube ithing esisiba common and it takes abantu maybe nxa bangu 10 20 yabo ama numbers angikhona khule because bathi vele nxa kukhulunywa eAfrican cuisine in history indoda vele polygamous yabo as an African man you cannot have one wife mabe yecho kudala la ngendlela esikhulu like abantu abakhule ngayo kudala ngesikhathi sabo Chaka Lopengula yabo amaduzaneni like yabo bekuvele kuyi practice but now
utoto okukhulu bethu most of us vele bakhulele
sithi introducer
ama time maybe
sithi uvuma ukuthi umfazi accept polygamy ku generation ye TikTok
forget
akwenzakali.
So mina into endensiya kiyo ukuthi sometimes especially ngendlela umuntu lo wabuze ngayo ukuthi let's bring it back because guys won't stop cheating. Truth is, most of the guys abayenza into zangalezi polygamy won't be like the antidote to stop him from cheating. Liyaba yi5 endlini aphuma kwesi6 aphuma kwesi7 so vele nxa uzithathela umuntu wakho ongakwanisa ukuhlaliseka
wena akahlaliseke lo mnyama uthi umnike passport man
exactly suthiwa officialize ke i-promiscuity.
I like what he's saying because if you're gonna approach polygamy, don't approach it from an angle of
trying to solve
curb ubufebe.
Exactly. You'll never win.
Ayizweli imeyodwa. Kube ukuthi
ubufebe la win.
Usethanda abantu ababili abathathu. Do you know bro?
Ngomvuleli phone yakho
Do you know what has also become what's the word? Indicative of current society yethu is people have become really anti-structure. Huh? Is that the word I'm looking for? Anti-establishment. That's the word I was looking for.
Anarchists, in a way.
Yeah, we're a generation of anti-establishment people.
You are an
So yiko kugcwele ama entrepreneur, you know, because it's more common ukuthi the idea of going to work for someone and being told by someone what to do. People are now kind of taking offense to that idea, which has leaked into some of these other life choices people make because when people are doing certain sexual preferences, quote unquote, and then when you show up and say, hey man, maybe you shouldn't be doing this, or who are you to police me? You know, people don't want to be policed. People don't want to be bossed around anymore. Everyone is of the, they've sold the dream, you can be your own boss.
Liberal is the
Now
word.
here's what the problem is. There is a certain amount of ukuzehlisa okufunakalayo ukuthi uzube in a polygamous relationship. And I don't think this generation, this batch of women that we are dealing with have it.
And men too. And men.
Yeah, but like,
Even angazi, maybe.
Yeah, even with men, yeah.
You know, it's funny, I was having this discussion 2 days ago.
Yes, Tembo.
Yeah, with this other lady. So here's the thing. Naturally, in the Bible, almost everyone in the Bible, Abraham,
Solomon,
Isaac, Jacob, Rebecca, and Leah, the same. Jacob.
It's Konkwani.
So they all had, these guys all had polygamous marriages, right? Now, you then get to a point where, sorry to say this, white people or white culture came to us with the Bible in their hand and told us, polygamous is wrong, and yet the Bible they're carrying is so many polygamous marriages. There was nothing wrong in polygamy. It was just an understanding between the guy and the woman to say, hey, mamas.
And his.
Mina sefungunjani? Semukuthathu mamas is 2. Uthi senze njani so so.
Ukuthi la ebuye nje, hayi mina baba mina ngathi into edog style engehlula le.
Sarah in the Bible, Sarah didn't Sarah say, mina Jake, angikwanisa ukunika kids. Sengikhulile. Thathu bani?
So yabona ukuthi yikho lokho kwalo ukuthi ayibe on certain grounds not ukuthi hayi baba sufeba kakhulu
kulenye anonymous comment futhi engeke ngayibona kulabana bo anonymous ade post esithi hey sesilabantwana abayi3 but ubaba ngalokele appetite ening mina I would really like green light him ukuthi athathe umunye unkazana ongani usayouthful because mina nisela energy le we've been married for a long time but uguy lokho efuna konke anti daily wahla like
so like you're saying it
has to come from that.
Polygamy, there's nothing wrong with polygamy. Now, here's the thing that people don't understand about polygamy per se. It's not for everyone. Polygamy, you have to be able to take care of these women. It's actually a financial status. It's a status. Not everyone in African culture had 2 or 3 wives.
Really?
You have to have the wealth.
You
You must have the wealth for those 3 women. Do you know the simplest thing about women, bro? Simplest thing. Remove the sexual part of it. There's no umfazi check tora indlu yakhe lapana. Uja kwakhe lapana egcombola esilala abangani bakhe
egcombola ibalalela icina ukulizwa maybe ngo2011
yonke into yakhe snacks bafo yonke into yakhe snacks and she's okay ube nomunye lapana as long as you are able to wealthily take care. I think I told you about my sister. Remember I told you about my sister. We have her court bachata, the husband and the first wife and she was the second wife, and each of the wives had their own house. Each of the wives was happy because she was getting
actually
polygamy has always been through the law. It's always been there. No, but that's my badge.
No, that's my badge.
Please loud. So polygamy for me, it's a cultural thing that was in Africa, right? But it was also built on the world. Can you afford? Do you have the amount of wealth to have all these 3 women to take care of their needs?
Mina ngithi qale livumela lo mama liye court. I-court ibisibusi mama ufosiwe uyavuma yini? Emfanele umama ethi vuma. All right.
No, when you're marrying in the court, when you're at the court, they actually ask you when they're marrying lapha mina too.
But this is polygamy.
I'm saying a court you can do a polygamous marriage a court. Yeah, I'm telling you because that happened.
They're giving you ideas.
I'm telling you what it happened in front of me. My sister and the husband and the first wife, they all got married. It happens, but
so,
you have the amount of money.
So I was like, will you take?
But it's not a solution for you.
Will you take?
Right?
Takes Mang as a second wife.
Yeah. That's the law.
It's
the law.
One by one.
No, it was never like that, bro. Why are we looking for all those solutions? Why are we looking for? It's always been there. If you want to practice it, it's okay. Problem now with our generation is we try to be too liberal. But unkazana oyala polygam, right? I want to guarantee you one thing. She's probably a side chick. Somewhere.
How?
I guarantee you. Hey, I'm funny, but you're a side chick somewhere. If you are a side chick, imagine if I'm married and you are my side chick, and I decide no saying good tata no first was 2. Sentado is 3 switch happens. Yeah, I can't stand this. But you came in, no, I'm saying this because I have a cousin of mine, bro. Every generation now, right? Bro.
Like before a continue, Omafodi say like cult following. Eti singam disturb a kuruma la.
Bro, this guy married this girl. Ne? What is for is 2?
Yeah.
She was okay with it. What was 2 on Fagarapa? What's in front of 3? What's 2 what I child? Uyalani. Because what figure you get it. But then yeah.
But related to like recently I think Wang is on same
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, in the last 2 weeks. So umasalo, like it was a close relative. So umasalo wahamba like wahlala khonale for the entire week. Then wathi sivela ngalo ngoba intshile inye into, ngoba sixoxele inye into like story time. It's funny joke. Twa khona ngale like elayinini yabona labo kulomnye umama ohlala le members ethu zonke amadoda akhe. Twa babuya bebonke sibezokhulumisa emveni. Like that thing blew my mind. I was like, what? Like abahlala maybe kuma comments ngalo muntu ohlala emganeni duze le 10 of line ePlum to there. Like yabona lapha exactly kulo mama othiwa bahlala same house la madoda
practice polyandry.
Exactly. Like ikumasalo la ukuthi guys, like it was my first time ngisiza into le ngiyibona like babuya bebonke. It's not like babuya kodwa along umunye wakho babuya like bonke as a unit be3 bahlala bakhulumisa baphuma bonke bahamba.
But for our jita advocator for polygamy is an excuse here when you're ufebe babo. The same gents on la mfazi ufebe like one.
Do remember yahlala 10 days engadle lokho nathi amanziyane.
Yeah, the story lesa. Sikuse group nani?
Yeah, I think mbano ngaba vuyicela ba.
Sikuse group nani?
Do remember lokho ehlele la amanziyane.
Good morning, admin. I've been in a relationship for 4 years. We have a 2-year-old child. My guy started cheating weeks after I gave birth, fell into a big depression and was in and out of therapy. This year in January, I went to therapy for the last time. I caught him again. And I begged him to stay. A few weeks ago, I left the house to meet with my ex. Bang, da-da-dang. He found out. Yo, I've never seen him like this. He's not eating properly. He's losing weight. He keeps saying, yeah. I'm super proud of myself that I didn't care whether he stays or leaves. Also, I think I'll be calling Watoba Wescopis. Quingo.
Aso spedlela senhlanje.
Watoba Ngucheni.
Yeah.
That's what he gets for messing with a retired cheat. Retired!
Aibo.
Zlatan, came back for one more. I got one more in me.
What? Did she just meet the guy or they met and?
No, they are married. They are what?
No, I'm saying the guy ex. Babongaba bahlangana
ukuthi akasitshela information.
Ngicela intombi.
Wayethi my ex retired cheat.
President Mzulu ukuthi
Nah, that's crazy.
But no.
Yeah,
but you know what? So any competition, like this friend of mine always says ukuthi it's not a competition yokufika ukuthi umjida ngafika la ngitshela ukuthi ufebe endlini. It's not a competition. Omena uma competition, oh my husband cheated, let me go cheat. It shouldn't be a competition.
Vele umuntu onjalo vele ungayenzila isithembo anyway.
It shouldn't be a competition.
So
I don't know why.
Na vele abafazi abangasivuma isithembo bangaka abaseleyo. Futhi ngikhulumela abantu aba out of options.
Please bakhona. No, but please.
Mina ngangenza survey
I think somebody delusion.
Mana futhi awulokuzi mic.
Umbuzo wakho ubusuthini?
Ithi
Abafazi abangavuma isithembo.
Oh my God. And angikhulumeli abantu abase out of their prime. Othiwa usuyi baby mama of 2.
So mele uthathe. No.
Ngikhulumela 26 hot and toit.
All right, cool.
26 is indaba bafana.
I personally
depend on ukuthi wena unganani.
I feel like bakhona and baningi. In fact, it might be a bit.
Do you
more.
feel a hope?
No, I think it's not a hope of mine ngoba mina.
Bakhona futhi lapha ababukele abangacomment basitshela wena ungakwenza yini?
Yeah.
Ungumfazi ulalela podcast
My
le.
justification for it, my reasoning behind it, is because I'm not sure if you guys have noticed it, but there's now like gang lana ama feminists. Ngqhubeka.
Ngiyaqhubeka.
All right. Gang lana ama feminists and asijayele 5 to 10 years ago and it's not really there anymore or they've shifted. You know kuzeni. Sebeshaya enye number. Sebeshaya enye nombolo.
Yes too.
Yeah, so first of all, like right now, if you think about it, even among our friends, a lot of women want to be housewives, right? Trophy wives or passenger princess, and Velinda Baleo hi. As long as I'm pretty, man, you know, there's gonna be a guy that's gonna take care of me, right? And then on top of that, there's also women that are in unhappy marriages and relationships simply because this person can provide. Their classification of a man is a guy who can provide. Anything more than that is now a bonus. Uthi uyandithanda, unchayizibunu ngeThursday. That's like that's iblambi. That's secondary, bro. For them, the idea of the ideal man is a provider. So a lot of guys, I mean, it would be really stupid for you as a broke own to say, "I man and things tempo." If you notice, as Tenjini, most guys are people that actually can afford it. You know. So chances are the guy's never around, bro. Like very attention, but they're fine. They're content, man. They're like, look,
we're being taken care of.
We're being taken care of.
Do you know the other thing? I also
That's
want
actually what I wanted to say. Sorry to cut you. Uti abalutshwane ababuzayo, like 3 or 4 abakuma contacts abamanje. They won't ababesithi no, but ababesithi yes bonke on condition he can provide. Because so
mina futhi enye into
Uzilambela abantu.
indlala and okunye ke ukukhuluma indlala.
They are tired, Shem.
utamjolo wemudumbu.
Stomach politics.
Lalela.
Yeah.
So we can talk about the women all we want, but we must also highlight ukuthi the generation of men also now has changed. The men that were there back then were the kind of fellas who could take charge of his tempo. And there's lama soft boys futhi. Ongabafana sokuthrow ama tantrums, sokulama face regimen, sokupopota sokusenzana. Umuntu onjalo cannot handle drama from 2 or 3 women.
Niggas. They know their way.
Breezy.
Yeah, well, yenye into sisenza so man. Sesingakhuluma ukuthi okay, maybe ngaba there's a decline of women also who are there's an increase of liberals, but also here we on this other end we have a decline of because it's not like ukuthi kumele ube libhawu or kumele ukwazi ukuchaya umfazi to have his tempo, but you must move in a certain way that also coaxes respect and followership from you know, maybe that's a bad word, but la kumele ube indoda then lesisindo doko ungeke uphonga uba ngu except chance, you know.
Wow. Okay.
Ubona ngani zunga control abafazi bang 3
nxa kuqoqodwe endlini yimi.
But that's a good thing. But again, what would make I say probably in the Zimbabwean context, what would make it difficult to have really pushed this polygamous thing is our culture. We have so much, it's so diluted now. Those guys are deep in their culture. So it's easy for them to be doing this whole polygamy thing because it's been maintained culturally.
So that's why
it's been so diluted.
That's why the question was, should we bring it back? That's why that was the question.
Yeah.
Should we bring this back and make it, you know, first culturally and then socially acceptable? Like
actually, now let's answer the question. I think it's the question of the day. But I think as I guess open
it's a simple yes or no personality. Yeah. What do you think?
Yes. And says explain it.
I feel like yes, but the criteria is just a bit more advanced than people thinking.
Yeah.
You have to be financially able, emotionally. I'm an alpha male, beta to run 3 separate households. But I'm discussing into a track. Usahlangana ikhomenti imali yama-truck lo umuntu ngaba yena sefuna ukwenza into ze mama ngizobamba. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's a lot, bro. And you really have to be solid to pull it off. And once again, we'll revisit what we said last episode. Self-introspect and ask yourself, am I solid enough?
I'm saying yes, let's bring it back, but not as a solution for Isuhuli.
Yes.
Yeah.
100%.
Not as a solution for Isuhuli.
I feel like good continue more 40.
Abafuna
abayenze but not as a solution. Esihulu ukuthi just because indoda yakho ifeva kakhulu usubona ukuthi ifeva kakhulu so mele ithathe OS2 ungazumnike 2
lona umlindo ongagcwaliyo lona ianaso umuntu engafeka zefeve ka9 uyefufuka S10 ufufeka kwes11.
This other lady asked konapha wathi kimi why do amadoda ngapho ule cherry lapha then say akasafuna cherry but kamchisa siba nomunye cherry laphana wali kwenza. You know, I said to her, do you look for another job? Then you look for another job or you look for another job semsebenzini.
Omunye futhi wathi awuthatha ifridge uhambe la etshwaleni uyathatha cooler box. But anyway.
What the what?
Shit.
Continue. What's left in our
anyway, ngananzelela last week we independence and
last week
last week
we
we
in 2 seconds.
How?
cela uma uvuyo
So many Apple bakuchayela i-charging system for
somele
hayi kuthi ngiyisebenzisa hayi to organize something
oyi-1 athathi fayela charge ndaba
is what you're organized or it
Hayi,
fell through.
it fell through.
Okay.
anyways bengisithi hey
Quick reflexes.
okay nge-weekly yane independence ngananzelela ukuthi bakule challenge leyana uve yakhuluma ngayo the face and
The flag.
the face and the flag yabo ngananzelela ukuthi abantu abaningi aba-participate ama-challenges lana abaningi abantu abangekho la
Oh.
like abantu abangekho eZimbabwe ngase nanzelela ukuthi like kulezinye izinto abantu abangahlala eZimbabwe the diaspora labahlale eSouth Africa included la abazenzayo that are icks to abantu abahlala eZimbabwe
Thina esi on the ground.
on the ground amajita ahlale sithi how far lina eli on
Eli
the
on the
ground
ground.
like thina esi on the ground kulezinto abantu be-diaspora abazenzayo sokuthi like bangakwenza for me kwakuyi-khonokhyana wama-challenges khonokhyana like
Vele ndoda.
you're celebrating independence you're saying like angazi but for me like you're celebrating the face the flag
You're
like
not even here. though.
Vele akula umuntu proudly Zimbabwe nje umuntu ngekho Zimbabwe.
yabo
Hayi.
So,
Hayi liyasibulala.
bemfuna like sibe lokuyi like sifake ngama-ground rules la because abantu abasilalela abaningi abahlali la
Abasibulala.
sibatshele ukuthi izinto ezinje xa wahlala e-diaspora ungayenzi into ezinje somawulapha yiziphi into zakho
Hayi proudly. Hayi but maybe you know what?
Yeah, and I
iziphi
think
ama-icks
It's that one, you know, then they're proudly Zimbo, but you're not even here, dog. So you're not proud.
Yeah.
Because if you're proud, you're gonna be here. So yeah.
Ubuza thina.
So yeah, I was like, you know, but besides that, nah, I don't wanna be.
Angivukhuluma into ezi.
Alifuna ukukhuluma.
Which am I well remit, lah.
oh lesaba
Asesabi. We're just sparing their feelings. Because kule podcast, I guess I dedicate a content like how hard it is, like my realities, like our face,
Also,
so
mina
we can't
Tino,
really just throw stones at them because we
Mina,
know
I
they
know-
are facing a lot of things.
that's what makes them like that because you know just think about it, you're over there and nothing reminds you of where you come from, so the nostalgia is on 100 first of all.
yes
You miss back home, miss people from back home, the way of life back home.
That's why you even have more people watching this
Oh,
abangale and people up Stratton by
Ngale futhi bakutshela ukuthi you know you watch other people celebrate their heritage and they're already in your face and wena okwakho ngani so isolated from okwakho. So I understand. Mina nami nenye picture yami nje ngayithatha senhlale nami ibhi isikhathi senhlale nami ibhi. Akhona isikhathi of this flag. Hey ngenye picture yami ngimbathile so ngithe
I mean into like you understand ukukhanuka eZimbabwe nanani but uma usuphendukile usuqalisa ukucomplaina ngenetwork i-connect wayichiya usazi ukuthi inetwork
Wena
yakho
vele why ngani ayishugarcoat nje yilokho.
no angaqali this is an introduction because mina ngithe
Kokumoya. It's
mawuthi
okay.
nina alifuni ukukhuluma mina ngizakhuluma izinto mina sengizi-experienceile labanye like actually had a conversation nomunye umuntu ngesande njela ukuthi ulo cousin wakhe kade behamba bonke yabo kwenza ukuthi ngakhuluma indaba zonke because maybe the cousin watches the podcast but cousin wazwakala yabona lokho kule driving yethu la esiyenzayo ukuthi uyangena kumele sichaye phansi yabo kumele sihambe umzala wazwakala sithi in the UK
Mise khonapho dog.
like lezi izinto engikhuluma ngazo like ethola umuntu ovele diaspora bro ukhona eZimbabwe uvakashile uyahappy ukuthi uyayiye you're complaining about network vele uyayazi i-connect i-reputation
Malumami shake. Malumami le ngayikhuluma kodwa edeni. Ngathi uTom lo ngazala ngaze video call kawanda. Lokho wavayayo nto. Angani data isali cheaper yini sekati from machine. He knows my situation.
ukuthi data is
Yena
expensive
lapha vele wayenga video call. Wayenga video call la. But usengale sefuhla le video call 3 times a day. That one for me.
so breeze uthi dinga video call nxa use diaspora reduce mbijani video call
Cha voice call or send voice note kongena ku regular kathi kuyingathi.
Hey, look at lingabuya, guys. We have lives here. Ungabuya, like I can't turn into your assistant now suddenly because you just landed. Like kumele ngenze okunye. Ngekho nti ufike ngemande suthi nje
kusasa mfuna sit nge-Wednesday bruh, I have a life. Like, come on.
uRalph ukhulumela amajida ama-meeting kakhulume just ama-regular para
I think
umzala wakho liphara vele inketho haya la boss ama-holidile hamba nomzala.
Like I have a life. You can't just come here and expect ukuthi kuhle kube holiday kimi. Yi-holiday kuwe when applyele ngalo booka kuhle ama-flights akho applyela
Vele
ama-leave.
abantu
Ngokuya lapho ungafuna ukuthi ngiqalise ukutransfer
navele abantu
ngilandelele.
be-diaspora ngibagejile mina ngapopa sharp
Maybe
udishayinile.
for me it's different. Maybe for me it's different because I'm open with everyone with this. But if you're coming, if you know you're coming, you let out. When you tell me that you're coming, it does not mean I'm gonna stop doing what I'm doing, my daily life for you. My life will not stop for you. If you come out, when I'm free, I'll call bro. Hey, I'm down because I'm free. Can we meet up and stuff like that? That's me.
Kanti wena wonke umuntu kubiza ama-40 kade ezitorini zakho engaza ukuthi umuntu wathi Tobias.
Because most people now, even manje, you know, they've stuck to my 40.
No,
Sometimes
but I feel like
my first name yami ayethuka.
I feel like only achievement yokuthi you have established when i-brand lakho likama-40 to an extent yokuthi labantu okholelayo ngoma-40
The only diaspora person who complains a lot about it as Zimbabwe it's my mom, and I don't blame her. My mom left in 2000. Right? She's been there for like and the first time she got to Zim was 2017.
Yeah.
Right? So whatever she left the Zim dollar, bruh.
Yeah.
She left the first Zim dollar. So before she comes, I have to explain a lot of things. Amasalu, you're coming. Kunje. So that like ngase abantu nengakunjani. Ngakanya ukuthi
yakwasama amazwe alako kono. Ale abantu baphonga ukukhulele eBulawayo bonke besebenze befele eBulawayo.
Yeah.
Amajita monke eNamibia ama passport bro. Maybe uRicardo.
Uyidingelani? Uyidingelani passport yakho?
Mina vele ngikhaya ingce abantu ona passport bayi.
But mina into emboya ukuthi yabona babuya ngoJune bro. Buya ngoJune. Yaqanda bro. Like yaqanda. Ha. Dine Zimbabwe lapha ku Kototi.
Senze no right.
Singagqoka amajezi right.
Senze.
Just because umqondo we-UK times 10
wala
thina kusamelanga sigqoka amajezi sichaze wena
fam
ohamba ngamahlombe egcekeni
wena fam
because uyakhudumala
kuyadura lokho.
I feel like Leon ngiyabantu abahlala eSouth Africa kakhulu athanda ukucompare ama prices ento zeZimbabwe nento zeSouth Africa.
Goli 100 rands mina ngichovisa wena I was with you nganginawe goli wena.
Ngikutshela something. Mina however I will say abanye izihlobo zethu eziningi sesahambe eUK. Sile 10 years singayazani. Asisela story sela nto zokuxoxa. Soka sesihleze emoteni. The only thing we can do ikupopota economy. To push the time. Kathi ithara sinje. Yaza amaphoto lawa. Nami mpopota 10 minutes la ungene.
But also like just sorry to make it deeper than it really is. I mean, the jokes were nice. But
it's fine. It's fine.
But I feel like complaining about the economy is the one thing that you have in common.
100%.
First of all, you're in the country. You know the problems. And secondly, there's a person that left the country because of the problems. Yeah, so there's never gonna be a situation, right? I don't know, I'm speaking for myself, but there's never gonna be a situation whereby any of you here speak to anyone from the diaspora, regardless of country, and you complain about Zim and they say, I know, but you complain again.
No, cherry, bro, cherry, bro. She came back to Zim.
Yeah, no, chill.
Mafoti be excited mane khuluma ngoCherry lo. Yo.
Manje ngabusha dayi umbonile nje.
No, khuluma iCherry sethe lamasimo bro.
Wenzani Mafoti?
You know, maybe we experience life differently. This chick went to the diaspora, bro. Within like a year or so, she came back. I remember being on. Hey, bro.
Why isn't some drugs go Mafoti?
What is going on, bro? I'm like, chick.
I feel like abanye iZimbabwe phela esikhulele kiyo. Labanye abakhulele kiyo i different.
For a year. 1 year.
Avelenza
1 year diaspora.
Ama opinions asemaningi kakhulu emhlabeni. Now the generals abalaleli yakwazi. Now
everybody knows something now.
No, but
uRalph ukhulume into kade mfisithi lami nza eda yabona xa usenza ama plans akho ka December abaningi ani bajele ube December April yabo silama lives la silempilo zethu esiziphila yabo I think indlela ehloniphekileyo ukubuza ukuthi ngesikhathi sinje ufree yini yabo like what are you doing, what are your plans bese ngikutshela ukuthi nxa uthi angenzi lutho because okunye futhi yani uyabe ungakwazi ukuthi that time uzayenza and I think okunye kuyi problem ukuthi wena expect ukuthi ngihle ngibe wazi ukuthi ngo December ngizabe ngikhona yini yabo like sesihle planning
lo noma singasebenzi check isi busy yakwazi check ukuthi isikhathi kuyakumele ucharge i-power bank ucharge i-laptop uye Philip Jojo uqala uyefaka ifili tank esebath la ese toilet ufaka ama bucket ebath laphana usuyafili
ngomsebenzi nalo
that's 3 hours gone dog that day so you know I'm sorry bro ngiyafuna nami ukubuye eKhanekasa but
bese kusiba iproblem ekuthini usubuyile ezim uyidiaspora usufuna sihambe endaweni zonke ezona lezo mase kumele sibhadale usukhangela mina but ngosuggestile ukuthi sihambe endaweni ezi5 mina ngebudget yami mina le ngiyawazi ukuthi ngenyanga ngiyakwanisa ukuhamba maybe smoke house ka1 but usungihambisa endaweni ezingu5 mase kumele sibhadale usukhangela mina
okunye futhi lingakhohle ukuthi lina isikhathi sonke lingeke ukuthi ne smoke house besihamba so ngicese ngichisa lapha ne smoke house why ngibheke kubana like that tire too
impaba
uvuya sibonani
3 me have a rule with that the goings out and what
yeah
I mean I'll say oh you want us to meet okay cool bro I'll do lunch I'll take you out for lunch
mafoti yamusika eba uthe the goings out ebawa
mafoti mana I'll take you out for lunch we'll do lunch and everything it's on me mafoti right because there's also an assumption that every time when they come there's also an assumption that aslamali yes atubeka but doesn't necessarily mean asilamali
but mangize ngikhambela out to prove
what I don't like I'm a diaspora
for yourself
what I don't like about ama diaspora it's when they start
tendencies
saying singafika restaurant why are this restaurant like this in the UK or in America
labo uqinisile
this restaurant kanje service America service
lalela
my chips la na fry ke kabi
America
ba fry
owadlalawo kule ngosunflower ukhomela ngosunflower namhla wena
nse New York mina la ngifuna ukuthi lalela there's a difference between a commentary on maybe how bad things are when you're saying I'm a pothole or hey imali or okay we can be with that
complain and break
but when you start whiling about his service provision or his standard of impahla ezilapha or izinto kuthiwa hey dog uyalazi ilizwe leli uyalazi ilizwe leli complain ukuthi isushi yenu lezi hey man fuck you man this is the sushi we have here pothole nyakuzo o state of economy nyakuzo but mawuso yapopota ukuthi asamabhawa yenu lawa akuna even indawo yokuhlala ndoda kuyanyingisiyama la sisebhawa la
and asking for UK brands in Zim like the fuck
it is Starbucks
the fuck what you going on
coffee
what you going on
all right I think I've got very like compared to other stories in Uzongi you guys are really surrounded by weird people.
I mean,
I think I've got the privilege, and I never knew it was a privilege until now.
Like Kulumela, podcast le represent abantu esiphila
lawo. It's not us.
Like if some experiences, okay, all right, yeah. I will speak for myself. I interact with abantu diaspora kaningi. I think like if I were to say 80% of my family on both sides is not in the country.
Yeah.
But I've noticed, and I think it's a blessing. These are people with social cues, right? No matter how they're feeling, no matter how much they're feeling about them potholes, they won't like they understand what was in the some of these things that I say are gonna be perceived as insensitive, so I won't say them. Yeah, I won't. So, and I think it's not just a diaspora thing. Generally, me like they've got no social cues, bro. They just like say stuff.
Kufana lawo nje kade ungahamba ekhaya ungaze uqasa ufika uthi but amakhandlela la kanje ngama globe. Come on, dog.
Kwasena sisikwanga.
Ngimangala ukuthi kanti balele phansi. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Come back.
Balele phansi.
I guys do yoga or something, you know.
Just do whatever they do there and come back.
I think one thing I've noticed that abantu that are in the diaspora, guys, kabazalelwanga khona ngale. And I think most people actually, the reason why they hold themselves like from saying certain things or just is because they remember their experience with Zimbabwe. You know what? So I don't want to rub it in with I not. You know, I made it. I know if no, I'm saving their kids, bro. Like, I'm telling you, bro.
No,
I'm a betty.
I feel like
I honestly like, can't relate.
Any affect kakhulu like le personally angikhulumela omunye umuntu la ngikhulumela mina. You'd find abantu abahamba like you've had the opportunity to leave the country. It's fine. I'm happy for you. Me, I'm always happy for my boys leaving the country, my girls, yabo, yonke into, yabo. But then uthi uhambe khona ngale. Ulokhu umbuza ukuthi mina mbeya nini khona ngapha.
Kathi. Wena kunomuntu okufunayo wena.
Like no, lalela ngaqedi. Let me cook.
Okay.
Like yabona please ma uza 30 steps ukuthi usuke in the country. You need funding. You need ama sources yabona ukuthi like information yokuthi ngcina uphuma eZimbabwe uphuma so like yabo but you would find omunye
process, yeah.
like a process like awuphonga uphuma phela.
Oh yeah, I think into yake yilanti even ngafona like something joke lapha kunzima something we UK
abamgcinile bobuye UK.
What the fuck?
like
Mbuya ngani?
ngiyabomba ukuthi you speak it to existence ukuthi mana ngiye UK uvule UK. It's an entire process, bro.
Angathi breeze angathi ngcini libobuye UK lapha impilo ingcono. Aninza phonga ukuthi ngikadi
Shap kusasa ngabo 221
ibroom kama griza yabo.
Note.
On
this note, and there's like different experiences of it. Well, UK and they're doing it in a way like they know it's not just easy to just wake up and go to the UK, right? It's like they kind of rub it in.
Oh,
No, but and then like an experience that I had, a very personal one, was recently I met an uncle of mine. I think it was the first time in my life. The guy's been in Canada. And he literally said, hey, Mshana, you know, that's different.
Yeah,
yes,
that's nice.
That's different.
Nice.
That's different.
Yeah, so I don't know. I think I'm surrounded by people like that.
This one is more personal for me, right? Like I've got amazing friends and family, but this one pisses me off. Person goes outside the country. Jay, so what business can I be doing in Zimbabwe? What can I?
Hey man, fuck you, man.
I'm like, what did you going to put up business avenues? Man, 10. Going to business avenues. I want to start a business.
I've heard people like I'm telling them parents I went offensive. Like
no. Here's the thing. Do you know why it's offensive to me?
Yeah.
You're asking me about business opportunities.
Do you
Bro,
know how I take that one? I take that one as, bro, I was doing this funding.
No, guys. These days people are opening these rand shops, selling groceries. I'm not have business in my groceries.
Hey man, fuck you.
Oh,
man.
look at choker down. No,
you know,
okay.
you come up with a solution. I mean, I go to so the fuck you asking me about business plan, and I'm giving you, and you're saying it's below you. Fuck you.
Yeah.
That came from the core. Exactly. I can't talk shit, bro.
I'm not talking shit.
But like, I wanted to shout someone out.
But I think I see an conversation is like that. I see these are not bad things. It's kuluma.
No.
With our like, yes, is in the one that was
experience.
And away for like.
Come here, Netflix.
I don't know for me if it's pride or anything. Like,
probably is, but continue.
It probably is.
Right? I've 3 Netflix passwords I've never used.
I hate Tata Mavote.
Right?
For the break, no.
Weird brag, but okay.
Right?
Weird brag.
Right?
But in
I can
context
say,
Zimbabwe, it's a prank.
ngiyakwanisa ukuthi check.
Shine
Ngiyakwanisa
a
ukuthi now I
cybercrime
can send. Bro, I have friends and relatives. Again, like mostly friends, not relatives. Because my relatives, I might really ask for help. I have a friend that I can send a message and say, check. I'm in a third spot. Emfagere.
Mina my chance. Loma person. I'm a 3.
Cybercrime.
So,
That's what I'm saying, bro.
and no, do you wanna know why? And I have friends who I can tell you, check it. Festival, I need some money. They'll give me without even asking for it back. But I'm that guy now who's going to a point of saying, you know what? I will not ask for that help. I will not use the Netflix account. I will not, because I've gone through some experiences. You get money from you ask for their help and what. In the background, bro. Now also pen what anabona karese aberinga afuna service to na link uthi hambe cruise bawufuni service when rabo permission utshona sicela imali I'm like I asked for help. You know,
different angle.
that people start doing stuff like that. This is why I don't ask help for my relatives, because they always come back and throw these things back at you. So I really trust
with the relatives they
so for me
it's not the qua.
bro, I'm telling you, bro, people be like, people asking me, why haven't you gone there? Bro, they are
No, but mina ngizakhulumela like
Yeah.
abangane ngilabo. Banika la mama password Netflix and angikwazi but ngila ngoba ukuthi i-browser
Ufuna ukudlula umafoti
ibe lokuzima. Yabo like mina abantu emphila labo sharp ngabantu abathumela le mali ngingacelanga.
Oh, that's dope.
Realizing ukuthi situation is bad but I'm not in a position yokuthi ngithi ngicelani because kunzima ukuthi ngicela like of course bakhona I don't wanna lie bakhona maybe 2 or even 1 okwazi ukuthi ngamtshela
there's one.
bro I feel like wonke umuntu life even lawo bekhona ngale balabantu abanja like you need that one person
Yeah,
bro
that one.
ukuthi la ke la hlala ndoda ngifuna imali amfuna ungitshela ukuthi everything will be okay.
I'm for the Bible verse. I'm for the Bible verse.
I want to
man.
buhlungu nje
Yeah.
umuntu ngawumcela imali ndoda and seqasa ukusuggestela ama business solutions hey dude
Kumbe utshethe kuzaba
fuck
right.
you man ubona nini mina ngaze
Kumele ukuthi nilike cruise ship.
Ka-6 double.
ubona ngani angacabanga ukuthengisa amazambane osiwe ucabangile dog
But thina sifuna imali.
imali yephuthuma le ngimdala mina
Only money that
mina also I will say from this side, which is what I've tried to do mina for most of my life. I've tried not to be entitled to imali zabantu abahamba
True.
overseas.
Yep.
So because I know it's not ukuthi uyatungena ngale airport kuthiwa yini Joshua Birmingham Airport. Ha, £100 isikhwameni.
Yeah.
Ukuthi nanse inye 2000 thothi ngale ungene ekhebhini susendlini. Thothi ngale ungene ekhebhini endlini. Lokena kukho lokho. Yebo.
Yeah.
So now, obviously, let me ngiyazazi sometimes when I go to very large extents to earn money, I feel, not only that, I feel a little insulted when I feel like someone is moving with a bit of entitlement about my money.
mase ngasakuni like
Yeah, amfuni vele kumuntu ofile ngani yena deserve imali.
sizonda like sizonda ukuthi abakuthumela ngamali.
Yeah.
But also understand that the
Yeah.
answer can be
Yeah.
no.
But sometimes like ungaceli kakhulu bro
of course.
amanye ama relationship
Yeah.
aphelile just because ucela
Ucela kakhulu.
kakhulu like
Mcini.
umuntu uyacava ukuthi angathi ngicina usharp.
But I was much chance.
Mcini, not crazy. I'm gonna ask the two of you. The reason I'm asking the two of you because you are more in the public eye. Right of the
What you say?
single 5 lapa. Our lives are in the public eye. Yeah, no. When I mean public, you know. So what I'm saying is, imagine someone says, I'm cleaning. Imagine this, I'm cleaning. And the podcast I go with UK. I'm saying, I'm cleaning. And the podcast I go say UK and mad. My photo and now say UK comedy I go and mad. My photo what
Australian my mic, something UK.
right? In my mind, I'm like, do you know how many comedians in the UK are actually struggling? Like it's not like it's a formula that works. Uthi ngambe you can comedian ngiyafika
Force izaranta lapha madoda.
Ngathi singene.
So how many of you? It's an experience. How many of you go to a prison when hip hop yakule ngani ungabuyenze America you make money? Kunenge and people. That's insulting
like
for me.
Nanzelele into engiyikhulumileyo ngathi kimi personally yabo into sengike nga experience ukuthi ungangisuggestel ukuthi ngibuye endaweni ungeke ungincedise yabo because you know ukuthi eZimbabwe velekile ngiyithatha ngapi mini 6,000.
Yeah, okunye is actually common sense, bro. Like I'm in Zimbabwe, I'm in a space that I know. Like you are suggesting I come where you are.
Yabo.
And now I won't need this.
Asibe like into engicho asibe practical.
Yeah.
Guys, I podcast yenu kube liyenzele UK kube sharp asenzeni so ama visa emalini or English test mawukuthi njengathi thina sidonsa nzima
kumele link lapha efund ama podcast eAfrica applying la like uyalelele solution ungabomba ku
yabo like sibe
ubomba ukuvutela kuphela
sibe practical yabo unganika ama solutions okwazi ukuthi wena lawe ukuposition yami like isituation yana ukuthi sithi xa ungali ukhuluma lo muntu lapha eZimbabwe uzafika eZimbabwe la before you ask anything or just having a conversation uzifake ezicathulweni zomuntu angikhona nalo
kuphela utshela uthulambile uthi yindaba ongadli
Purpose yenza ngikhuluma inhlamba
purpose ye conversation yonke nale
but me have been that offends me mafuthi ngani comment yakho use goal ngani you got to be fair. I'm like, do you know how many struggling comedians are there in South Africa? Like, and most of them asking me to come perform at the festival.
And now you can just wake up and be established there.
In South Africa, yes. So it's, I feel that's insulting. For me, it's insulting.
A solution. For those of you, especially who watch this podcast and feel like if we were in different places, we could have done better. You know what you can actually do? Start by supporting us. Currently, we have a membership. You can pay to be a member.
Yeah.
And most of you are actually not even paying. And you know what's crazy, bro? We come here every week. All of us here. Me, if I've been coming here for over 60 episodes and in Telefew, $10 or $15 every time I come here, how much money am I deep in? And then you ask these people, say, okay, support me. What's the lowest they can pay for you?
I think it's 10 rand.
$1. Do you know if like half of you guys just committed to $1 a month? I would lay rent keeping it inside.
Yeah, when you're so entitled to their money, like it's not like we're doing this for them to give us
but
money.
We're trying to say,
But then
to those who are saying, hey, we are up and so and so.
Not only that, Doc, you get you must do 2 episodes a week. Come on, man. We're barely scraping 1 episode a week.
Support.
You know,
like
now, I'm not saying
like we're entitled to your support.
There's a lot
therapeutic
that we get done when we are here. But the idea is maybe if you're going to come with a solution, level 10. Let's say it's cool mama visa. You know, once we can say, oh, we're getting support, then it's going somewhere. Because this is a pro bono.
Yeah,
pro bono, baby.
Pro bono, baby. So yeah, maybe this is a fun Thursday. This is a fun bonus episode. Yeah, man, because that like singer figure 1,000 views, masinyane then.
Yeah, so it's Masian because the episode is interesting.
Yeah, it's actually an interesting conversation.
It's actually enlightening, and I think I also appreciate having those guys in the circle because there's amajida amaningi into ezinengabazazi. Khona ukuthi mawusu chai accident ukuthi uqala amajida into ezinengabazazi siphonga uwalker nje thina la.
Speed like sa freestyle nje.
Lokuthi mina ngithi wasunga othi uyethu ke.
Do you know who I am? I don't know.
Oh bro.
About do you know who I am abaningi sasabafonela sekumele babe ngo I am and they failed to
you not who you are.
Exactly. Bro, today I was standing. No, that's me the check and this guy says, you the guy Luana restaurant by post my videos the actor so whatever. I'm like, yeah, that's me. And I know this guy. Like he knows me and I know him. But he's acting as if
I'm Vanessa,
right? And now I'm looking at his tag, I'm like, but when I first met you and you introduced to me, you were working lapa. Now you are wearing a black suit. Upalwe what? Ukambalo zibani. Now you want to act as if ongas. Then this unana ngihamba la yani uthi usesithi mafuta sisukela. Sengihamba uthi Jake phela lezana ziyazi wonke umuntu lezana bra efake lapha nespana lapha vele kwakuyinto yakhe ukuthi ebona ukuthi kuminister information. Davira kwakuyinto yakhe kale sibe promote lesihamba le speak
Le top dog.
You know sengu those
Ayizime kama 40 easy.
and these are the people that you abadele ngomkhangele bro.
Lezi stories zakho sisensathi ngoba siyachisa.
No, emumdele no. These are people esesimdelele and dala kuloko kata.
I-Honda Fit yenze
You do you know me?
Ibi white yini?
No, I think it was silver.
Mbone enye i-white phela mina ndizithwelwe yilokhu zenini.
Lapha yini?
Hayi ngithenga
Honda Fit
ngihamba.
yenzeni? Honda Fit ichayi Range Rover 23 Range
I-Range
Rover
Rover i-colour bani?
autobiography. It was a white one.
Yeah, I saw it.
That's the one.
I saw
which
it.
is
No,
maybe
I saw
got
it.
the
I saw it
colours.
zithwele yilokhu zenini.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Le airbag lideployile. It's away on the driver's side.
Yeah.
I saw it, bro. Because I saw
On
it
the
tweet.
feet, chain Range Rover.
Sibone Mercedes Benz la.
My chances when my bach. Lena gita.
la.
Siyibone ku chicken inokuna interview.
Ibikida.
Yazi ngawuza umoya wami usehla ngezolo kamoya isitho. Ngayizi inanana disihamba ngayibona kwa ikhala ngamandla ngathi man.
Hey, ibikhona item le?
Ibe kuna interview yaba.
But ibingela ama number plates.
Eish.
In my bach.
No why? But anyways,
Ngiyabona
kulabantu
futhi even lele S500 futhi. Yazi ZTF brings a lot of
Maybe
things.
crime sometimes is not that bad.
manje sikesiza. Inkinga ukuthi wena ungayenza.
Silama lawyer.
Inkinga ukuthi wena ungayenza i-crime ngawana uNkulunkulu yenza i-example ngawo.
Nawe
Na very first day ejele kahle repwe very kahle kube fucked up konke.
Vele ndoda kuhle kwilahle.
Wasale chai stroke efe. Hayi.
Idlozi lakhona lobuselela ngazula yakini brachana lakho.
Esithi kulama like sengihlanganele abantu abaningi engingawaziyo bro, but kuyamele ngenze ingane yakwazi because I'm fully offended, but ngihlala ngi-assume ukuthi abantu engiyabe ngihlangana laba bangazela ku-podcast like bengiku-Oceans maybe ngingcono GW kule podcast GW ngingamazi bro ngayibona ingikhombela zoyizithi mina lami ngiyikhombela nami ngiyikhombela ngathi ebichayisene athi afikathi ukhona nginatsho bhuta safayisi siyabonga majensi swi nsukela baze amazi yambuzo nje mbani ngentjita yabo so ngilama moments like anjalo like amaningi singahlangana maybe ngizongazela ku podcast yabo ngizayenza ngani siyazana but I feel like ezikhathini eziningi into esharp ukuthi njengo uma40 bamshaye ngokuyi practical but bhoda ngalo check number plate.
Yes.
Bhoda now.
Do you know why I'm 40s?
Just check the number
Check the
plate.
number
Yabo
plate, dog.
like nxa sizahlangana because bona neku podcast. Sure bro. Mina ibizo lami ngizibani bani. Watch the podcast because
Yeah.
ngicina sengasakwazi ukuthi umuntu lo
Isihlobo.
ungazela ngapi isihlobo sami.
No, but for the most part
Yabo?
amajide enjalo uchayisa lawa akhuluma. Ukuthi majenzi azi liyahlanya ku podcast and I'm
Mhlobo wazi
oh
ukuthi,
umteti
yeah.
I think very this week I met like a bunch of guys at the one.
Yeah,
I
but
love
don't
the
be
work you're doing.
I'm just saying don't be an ass when you meet me.
But
I'm
siyabonga bro.
experienced lana ngizizwa ubuhlungu.
I mean, all of this is to say actually thank you to all the people that watch the podcast.
Yeah. Hey, especially at Victoria ZTF, man. Shout out
Thank
to
you
you
so
guys.
Noma singangenanga nje.
Shout out to you guys.
Fucking
Shout out to you.
But love
guys.
and light.
Love and lightning.
Uchawa ngombani nje.
Libe le viki enhle. Liyekele ubuhule. Li comment ku YouTube le. Abanye ba comment ku WhatsApp. Guys, I like what you're doing.
abantu abakwazi ukukhuluma phela mina semba understand.
Yeah, plus okunye futhi maybe nxa wechala uvalo ukuthi i-comment yami maybe ayisoke ibe sharp.
Sizalithethisa asithethisi bantu mina kodwa lingaziqoqa kuhle lingaziqoqa majenzi i2 episodes a week. The only thing that's holding us back is the fact yokuthi the
funding.
logistics of doing 2 episodes.
Yeah,
and you
funding.
actually don't need to send us $100 or whatever. Just $1 membership from half of you guys. We're up and running.
Sikwazi ukuthi
Or just continue subscribing and liking. If the channel grows, it means it attracts
Yeah.
speaker sponsors. Then that can you don't even have to pay a cent sometimes if you are clever
Yeah.
about it.
Yeah.
uBreeze
Share the podcast.
ukhulume
Share the-
ngendawo lapha athethe khona athenge khona i-pouch
I-pouch.
iphiwe ubuthengile asambeni sonke sibukele i-podcast noma ifoni yakho ile pouch esharp hamba uthenga usapho because yindlela esithola ngayo abantu abazabuya bazo-advertise ama-businesses awo sikwanisa ukuthi silight ama-light lawo siwalayithileyo sisebenzisa ama-mic lawo siwasebenzisileyo Otherwise, Janko is thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like,
Condomize.
share.
Well,
Usukhathile.
Akakhathi.
Yeah,
Mara
well,
stop ngo.
Ngize ukuthi kune statistic esitsha.
no.
Right,
That's not an official. That's not an official
Mafoti, Mara,
statement.
Auntie, can you
That's
work
not
for them,
an official.
Do you work for them?
That's not an
Do you work
official
for them,
statement.
Mafoti?
That's
Do you
not
work for them,
an
Mafoti?
official statement.
We're not even saying from who.
Hey, we're just saying generally, wishful thinking.
We just
Aluve.
kusemoyeni.
If only it was a situation whereby people go to ZITF and they test thousands of people and only 4 come out positive. You know,
How crazy would that be?
that would be
That'd
wild,
a crazy
man.
story.
That would be wild.
We're
bro,
just
but,
speaking
uh,
hypothetically here. That would
But
be,
well,
you know,
it didn't happen. So
maybe we can start having a good time again, you know.
It's still a good time.
take it back to the 80s, man.
Fact still stands, I ain't letting you go. No matter when a heart breaks, fashionable. And they don't wanna see me keeping you close. And they don't wanna be here when I'm alone. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get some for $1. We might just head home in a Honda.